In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Meta Quest 3 in case the mic is not working or not working properly. Now, there's many different solutions depending what is causing this problem, so I'll go through all of them. So if you're using your Quest 3 with your PC and you're having this issue, you need to go into Manage Sound Devices on your PC and then click on Enable the microphone. Sometimes people forget to do this, and usually after doing that, the mic should be working. Now, by searching how to get rid of this problem, I also find out on Reddit somebody named left in a mad word that was able to fix this problem. I'll put the solution on the screen. So it resolved this issue by simply going into my Windows recording devices and re-enabling Oculus Virtual Audio Device. So these were two tricks how to fix this issue if you're connecting to a PC. But what if your mic is not working while you simply want to play on the Quest 3? Now, one of the simplest thing you can do is to reboot your device. And how to do so? Very easy. You're going to find the power button over here. And you're going to keep it pressed during 30 seconds. After doing this, you can release it, wait 5 minutes, and then power back the unit on by keeping pressed this power button until you see the Meta logo on the screen. If you're still having issue with your mic after doing this, I'll show you what to do. Simply put your Quest on your face. And once you're on your Quest 3, you're gonna open the quick menu by clicking over here where you see the time, the Wi-Fi and the battery. And make sure that microphone over here is turned on. Okay, you can switch on and off by clicking on it. If it's red, it will not work. So make sure this is this color. Now, another thing you can do is to go into the settings. And from here, we have multiple options. You need to go into privacy over here. Then you're going to go over permissions. And here you're going to go down until you see microphone. You need to make sure that you give permission to the different apps and games to use your mic. So over here in this list, only voice command is allowed to use my mic. So if I wanted to play 11 table tennis and have access to my mic to make it work, I need to turn this on by clicking this small toggle. And once it's blue, it means that the app has access to your mic. We can also go back. And when you go into system here and sound, make sure that mute microphone is not turned on. It should be gray like this. If it's blue, click once and make it gray because we do not want the mic to be muted. So these were my tricks on how to get rid of this problem. Another thing you can do is to connect a headset that has a mic to the Quest 3 and check if it works this way. If you have other solutions, please write them down below. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.